Cancer is contagious among clams. What about us? The ocean contains a vast number of living things, including many pathogens, from bacteria that thrive on coral to fungi that infect lobsters. A drop of seawater may hold 10 million viruses. Recently, a team of scientists revealed a frightening member of this menagerie: free-floating cancer cells that cause contagious tumors in shellfish. Last year, they found one such cancer in a species of clam. On Wednesday, they reported that 3 more species were plagued with contagious cancers. The cancers are specific to shellfish and do not appear to pose a danger to humans who eat them. But until now, infectious cancer was considered something of a fluke in the natural world, initially observed only in dogs and Tasmanian devils. The latest research has made scientists wonder whether infectious tumors are actually more widespread. "We were always thinking there would be more contagious cancer out there, but we didn't know where they would be discovered," said Elizabeth P. Murchison, a cancer biologist at the University of Cambridge who was not involved in the new study. In the traditional view of cancer, mutations strike a cell. These mutations have several causes, including toxins and viruses. However they arise, they drive a cell to multiply uncontrollably until the cancer is wiped out by the immune system or kills its victim. Either way, the cancer stays inside the body where it started. A decade ago, scientists discovered 2 exceptions. In the 1990s, Tasmanian devils in Australia began developing deadly face tumors. But DNA in the tumor cells did not match that of the affected animals, studies showed. Tasmanian facial tumor disease, as it was eventually called, appears to have had its start in a single Tasmanian devil that lived in the 1980s. Transmitted by bites, the cancer spread to other Tasmanian devils and acquired mutations along the way that helped make it even more infectious. A second strain of the cancer was identified last year. Dogs, too, can get a type of contagious cancer called canine transmissible venereal tumor, which jumps from host to host during sex. The tumor usually disappears in a few months, however. Scientists have determined that the cancer originated in dogs 11,000 years ago. For years, Tasmanian devils and dogs were the only species known to contract contagious cancer. But last year, Stephen P. Goff, a molecular biologist at Columbia University, and his colleagues found contagious cancer in soft-shell clams. From New York to Prince Edward Island, these clams have suffered from aggressive tumors since the 1970s. Carol Reinius, a marine biologist at Environment Canada, found that the cancer clustered in populations, as if it was caused by an outbreak of some sort.